In this guide, I'll show you how to fix the graphics driver crashed error message when playing Valorant. So it's a nice and simple tutorial. The first thing you need to do is just press the Windows key on your keyboard to bring up the Start menu, search for Device Manager, and then click on the Device Manager panel. From here, come down to Display Adapters and expand this drop-down, and just locate your graphics card from this list. The one that I'm using is this NVIDIA one, so I'm going to right-click on this, come down to Update Driver, click on Browse My Computer for Drivers, click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, and simply select your graphics card from this list, and then go ahead and press Next. Once you've pressed Next, you just need to wait for the graphic card drivers to update, and then we can close out of these windows. Head over to the Start menu and search for Run. Click on the Run icon, and in this search box, you need to type in $, local app data, $, and hit Enter. Scroll all the way down till you find the Valorant folder and head inside of here. Come inside of Saved. Inside of Config, you'll see this folder here called Crash Reporter Client. You simply need to right-click on this, click on the trash icon to delete it. Then come back out of this folder by clicking the back arrow, come down to Web Cache, and we need to delete all of the contents from this folder. So we're just going to select everything here. Right-click and then press the trash icon to delete it. You can then close out of this folder, and you need to head over to your desktop, and we're just going to right-click somewhere on our desktop, come down to Show More Options, and if you have this NVIDIA control panel, you'll need to click this. From the left-hand navigation, just make sure you have Manage 3D Settings selected. Then come down to Global Settings, and underneath Preferred Graphics Processor, you need to change this from Auto Select to High Performance NVIDIA Processor. Then go ahead and press on Apply. Head over to the Program Settings tab next to it. Select the program that we want to customize, so you just need to find Valorant from this list of applications. If you can't see Valorant inside of here, then simply come over to this Add button, click on the Browse button at the bottom, and you just need to locate the Valorant.exe file. This can be found within your C drive. Come all the way down to Riot Games and click this, inside of Valorant, inside of Live, and you'll be able to find this Valorant.exe file, so just double click on this, and then simply select the program and click Add Selected Programs. So once you've got Valorant.exe added down here like so, then once again, you're just going to select the Preferred Graphics Processor, and make sure this is set to High Performance NVIDIA Processor. Then once again click on Apply. From the left hand side, come over to Configure Surround and PhysX. Underneath the PhysX settings, you just need to once again change the processor from Auto Select, and then select your NVIDIA processor. And lastly, we're just going to press Apply. And once you've done all of these steps, you'll then need to restart your computer. And once your computer's restarted, we can then try launching Valorant, and that should have fixed any graphic errors you were getting. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.